In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remove your background from a video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere and we have this one right here. So there are two instances. So if you have a solid colored background, then that is pretty easy. And then you could remove this from Premiere Pro with a clean result. So from here, you can go into the Effects tab and search for Color Key, drag it into your clip, and then just simply click on the eyedropper tool under Effect Controls and click on the background color. And then you should now be able to remove it by increasing the color tolerance. As you can see, it is now being removed. And then once you're satisfied and you still have the color outline, you can just go for edge thin to remove them. And here it is. It has now been removed. So it's a pretty clean result. However, if you have something like this, so this is a real life footage. So you can also remove the sky. As for this one right here, it would be so easy because the color of the sky in here is quite monotonous. So we could still do it with the color key. So drag it with the color key and then just click on the eyedropper and click on the sky again to remove that, and then go for the color tolerance and increase it slowly until you get your result. And as you can see, it would go for the others right there. Now in here is that I just go for more. So as you can see, all the sky is now removed. Now to exclude this part right here, I just need to go here into mask. Click there and then just simply go here and place it in the sky only and right there. And now the result is this one right here. As you can see, the sky is removed. So that is also another way for you to use the color key by masking so that you won't be able to unwanted parts. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.